What's going on YouTube? In this tutorial, I just wanted to show you how you can make a new customized tab in your Microsoft Excel. Like this one right here, quick access tab with custom groups and custom things inside of your group. So to do this, you can go to File and then go all the way down to More, and you can click on Options. And then from here, you can click on Customize Ribbon towards the middle. And now if you want to make a new tab, on the right at the bottom, you can just click on New Tab right here. As you can see, there's a new tab, a new group, and if I want this tab to show up in my Excel, I can have the box checked. If I don't want it to show up, I can just uncheck the box. So now I can move this tab to wherever I want to. So let's just say I want it to be, so just say I wanted this, so let's just say I want this to be, to be right at the front, then I can have it right there. Move to the top. If I can rename this tab, do whatever I want, so I can right click on it and then I can say rename, and I can just call it tab 2, your custom tab. Okay, I have a customized tab, I have a customized tab name, and I can also rename the group. So I can rename this with using different icons, or I can just type like group 1, for example. And I can go through and add things within the group that can make my life much easier. So you're not popular commands, maybe from all commands, or maybe from macro commands, or whatever you would like to add. You can go through and click whatever features would you'd like to have in the group. And this can be great because it might be features in Excel that you don't see all the time. Like there's a lot of things in the commands group that just aren't necessarily as easy to access. That might just be much more easy to access, or just maybe take less time to get to them. And you can right click again, add a new group. I'm going to call this just group 2. As you can see, I'm adding random stuff to kind of show show you what you can do. But I just kind of show you that you can customize this ultimately to whatever fancy and meets your needs. So, okay. Now I can see right next to file, I have custom tab, and then I have the things that I just added to my groups. And one thing that's really cool too is I can access this using the keyboard shortcuts. So just press Alt Y1, and as you can see, the things I added to my group, to my new tab, are now here with my 2 new groups. And this can save a lot of time if there's different tabs in Excel that you wish were organized better, or if there were things that you might need to access quicker. It could just save a bunch of time. So I hope this will be helpful. If you did, like, subscribe, comment. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.